Good morning and assalamu alaikum, students. Today our topic is adverb. Students, what are adverbs? Words which describe how actions are done are called adverbs. Students, as I already explained you in my lecture about adverb and their types, so now according to this exercise, I want to tell you something, that if the last letter in this exercise, you will see that if the last letter of any word will end, if any word will end with y, we will cut the y and change it into I. Okay, y will change into I and then we will write ly. Look this example, easy, easily. MERRY, marry, MERRILY. So in place of y we will write I and then ly. Okay, and drop e. When the last letter of any word will be e, the last letter will be e, we will drop e and write y, not ly. We will write here gentle, only y. Okay, gently. TRUE, true, we will cut e, we will drop e and then we will write ly. Okay, truly. Noble, we will drop e and write write only y, nobly. It is because students, after when we dropped e, there is l is already present, that's why. Okay, and here there was u before e, so that's why we add ly. And humble, 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 we will drop the e and write add y in the end. Students, but for others no change is needed. Okay, with if the last letter will be d, n, k, l, okay, any other letters, with any other letters there is no need to change. Okay, we will just put ly in the end of the word. Students, now open your book page number 43 and look part A. Write the adverb contained in each of these sentences. A. The farmer told the hiker plainly what he thought of him. So as you can see, plainly, ly. Okay, the words that you can see, ly words. In the end of the words, you can see the ly. Okay, that is the identification of adverb. So you will see ly and you will underline this adverb. Martin slept soundly. Okay, all night. You can see soundly is the adverb. Okay, the next one is Susan waited patiently for the egg to boil. So here, what is the action is patiently. Waited patiently. The bus driver spoke rudely to the old lady. Okay, so here, so students, here rudely is adverb. We all laughed heartily. Ly, laughed, how we laughed heartily at the clowns in the circus. Heartily, you should always try to speak distinctly. So underline this. This is adverb. How to speak distinctly. Sally cried. How Sally cried? Bitterly. So bitterly is the adverb, not Sally. Only bitterly is the. Sally cried bitterly when she broke her new glasses. Okay, now look at B exercise also, students. Rough. ROUGH and you will add ly in the end. Vain, simply add ly because the last letter is n, not y or e. So now cozy, the last letter is y, so we will write here, we will change y into I. Okay, so ILY. Terrible, the last letter is e and we will drop e and write y. Joking, ly, equal, ly. Noisy, ly, so we will convert y into ILY. Single, last letter is e and we will write, we will drop e and write. Okay, number 9, mat. The last letter is d, so we will write just ly. Able, last letter is e, we will drop e and write y. naughty. Last letter is Y, so what we will do, we will convert Y into I-L-Y. Loudly, hastily. Now again last letter is Y, we will write I-L-Y. Pitifully, sensible, E, last letter is E. Just look carefully the last letter, if the last letter is Y and E, just then write I-L-Y or drop E. Okay, so we will drop E and write Y. The last is nibble. Nimble, we will drop E and write Y, nimbly. Now complete the sentences with the carefully chosen adverb. Roger the dog snored loudly. Dog snored. How the dog snored? Loudly. Mrs. Jones stomped dash along the road. Stomped madly along the road. James brushed his teeth carefully. The baby was red in the face and crying loudly. Sam always sings sweetly. Students do this exercise very carefully and also learn this exercise. Take care.